The beauty of the morning is not in the freshness of the atmosphere. It is in the freshness of our thoughts, feelings, and how we wish to start our day. Good morning, sisters, teachers, parents, and my dear children. Let's begin this wonderful day with prayer.
Everything I am, everything I am, everything I need, everything I need, I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I give, everything I do is a gift to you. Is a gift to you. Is a gift to you.
Morning prayer. Lord our God, in your loving hands, I place my life today. With your infinite and loving mercy, grant us the strength to learn, concentrate, and act in love towards our fellow beings and nature. Guide us and give us right direction so that we discover more of ourselves and the world around us and learn of your wonderful values. The patron of our school, St. Joseph, pray for us. The foundress of our school, Blessed Mother Mary of the Passion, pray for us.
Today's news is read by Mary St. Standard 2A. Over 92% rains received in 19 days of October. Kerala Revenue Minister K. Rajan. Resumption of rains. Revive flood threat in Thrissur. 11,150 new COVID cases in Kerala. Test positivity rate at 11.84%. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's thought: if you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Mark Twain. I repeat it: if you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Mark Twain. Thank you. Have a nice day.
That's Lady Golden. Once a farmer living in the village. He was sitting under the tree. He's very poor. His days passing with difficulty. One day, someone gave the farmer a hen. That hen gave one golden egg every day. That farmer sold that golden egg every day. So became rich man. All the people in the village started respecting him. The farmer became greedy. He thought the hen gives a golden egg every day. That's the hen's stomach. I need so many golden eggs. If I get all the golden eggs in one day, I will be the richest man of the entire village. The farmer took a knife and cut the stomach of the hen. What did you see? He saw that there were no golden eggs inside the stomach of the hen. Poor farmer, he did not get any golden eggs. He even lost his hen. The moral of the story is do not be greedy.
Good morning to all. I am St. Standard 2A. Today I am going to make fruit salad. banana, sugar. Cut all these fruits in small pieces and add sweet. This is a fruit salad. Try to make every.
Hello everyone, I am Mary Chandal is singing a beautiful action song. It's about COVID-19. La la la, COVID-19. It's a cruel virus. Let's kill that one. La la la, to beat that virus. Stay home safely and break the chain. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Rub, rub, rub your fingers. Clean, clean, clean your body. Be hygiene can kill the virus. La la la, respect nature. Salute the healthcares. They were for us. And don't forget, la la la, it's a hard time for us, but we should do it. They shall to pass, and we for goodness. La la la, COVID-19, it's a cruel virus. Let's kill that one. Let's kill that one. Thank you.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in the well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे